Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Charlotte County, southeastern Halifax County until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Dry Berg, or 8 miles south of Clover, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include South Boston, Red Oak, Scottsburg, Stanton River State Park, Dry Berg, Williamsburg, and John H. Kerr Reservoir. The current time is 4:47.